Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited because we're finally unboxing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. If you're into vlogging, travel videos, or daily content, this one might be for you. So tara, buksan na natin to. Right away, you'll see the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera itself. Solid, premium feel, and very compact. Inside the standard package, we also get one rechargeable battery, a USB Type-C charging cable, the magnetic mount, documentation, and quick start guide. Everything you need to get started is already here, which I really appreciate. First impression, the camera feels very sturdy but not heavy. Plus, the flip screen is a big win, especially if you're a solo creator or beginner vlogger like me. In my opinion, this is a really good choice for beginners in vlogging. You don't need to be super techy to use it. Just turn it on, frame your shot, and you're good to go. This is just the unboxing and first impression. A detailed review and sample footage will be coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!